Hey guys, you've just clicked on the right video to learn how to make millions from YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even Instagram. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a brand new YouTube channel and create viral content by leveraging existing trends in a completely unique way without any copyright issues. I tested this viral niche for just 40 days, starting from 0 subscribers, and guess what? It actually worked. Stick with me because I'm not just sharing my results. I'm giving you the exact step-by-step strategy so you can replicate my success. But wait, there's more. I'll also introduce you to a brand new AI tool that makes this process even easier. And the best part? It's completely free. So make sure to watch the video until the end because every step is crucial. If you miss anything, you might get confused and miss out on the opportunity to grow fast. Before we dive in, if you're new here, I create videos to help you make millions using AI-powered, fully automated, faceless YouTube channels. So if you want to get rich early, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Finding a viral channel to model. Here's the deal. We're going to take inspiration from a highly successful content creator, Zack Films. This channel is absolutely dominating platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. With over 19 million subscribers and a staggering 29 billion views in just a few years, the best part? Every single one of his videos racks up millions of views. And we can use a few smart viral tricks like AI avatars, advanced editing, and unique storytelling to make our content completely different and even better. Downloading a video. Now that we've got everything set up, let's break down the process step by step. Head over to Instagram and search for Zack Films. Click on the account with the highest followers. Browse through the videos and pick one that you like the most. Click on the 3 dots and copy the video link. Paste the link into an Instagram Reels downloader and download your video in high quality. Getting the transcription. To make our version unique, we need to rewrite the script. But first, we need the transcript of the original video. Open the video on YouTube, like it, then go to your liked videos. Find the video, click More, then scroll down to Show Transcript. Click on it and copy the text. Rewriting the script. We can't use the original script word for word, so we'll rewrite it in our own unique style. Here's how. 1. Copy the original script. Open ChatGPT. 3. Use the special prompt I've provided in the description. 4. Paste your script and let ChatGPT generate a completely new version for you. Generating a voiceover. Now we need a voiceover for our new script. For this, we'll use an AI tool called 11 Labs. It's free to use with a temporary email from TempMail. Sign up on 11 Labs. 2. Click on Text to Speech. 3. Browse through ultra-realistic voices and pick one that suits your style. 4. Paste your script and generate the voiceover. 5. Download the MP3 file, creating an AI avatar. Now, let's bring our voiceover to life using an AI avatar. Go back to DubDub and click on Studio. Select AI Avatar and choose the Gesture Avatar option for extra movement. Pick an avatar from the list. Upload your voiceover file and sync it. Click Generate Talking Avatar and wait for your animated avatar to be ready. Editing the video. Time to put everything together. Open your editing software. I recommend CapCut for its simplicity. 1. Import all materials. AI avatar, original video, a textured background, and a mobile screen template, link in the description. 2nd, position everything properly on the timeline. 3. Remove the AI avatar's background and add credits to Zack Films. 4. Customize the video with your own creative touches. Adding captions. Visit flexclip.com, then click on AI Auto Subtitle. Upload your video and explore different caption styles. In the last, generate and customize them as needed. Once everything is in place, your video is ready to go. Here's a quick preview of how it looks.
If a 10-year-old tried to fight you, you'd probably have no trouble stopping them. But what if there were 10 of them at once? That's when things start getting tricky. The average 10-year-old weighs about 70 pounds, so if you're really strong, you might be able to handle a bunch of them by using all your strength. But what if 25 kids teamed up against you? That's like a whole mini football team charging at you with full energy. No matter how strong you are,
If you have confidence in this strategy, you can start your faceless YouTube channel today and potentially reach millions of views. Before you go, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support keeps this channel going. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel for more updates. See you in the next video.